Hey everyone, how you doing today? Thanks for tuning into the GoPro Goalie Oozes YouTube channel. We have a Ford F150 Raptor grill. Just arrived yesterday in the mail for me. I'll be placing this on my 2014 black F150 XTR. I'll be taking off the chrome grill and replacing it with this Raptor grill. This one I believe is in a gray to silver finish. However, my plan is to lightly sand it and paint it metallic black and leave the Ford lettering the gray color so it stands out a little bit. So what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and open this up here and take a look at what's all inside. Now, some of you guys might be thinking, why put a Raptor grill on F-150? It's not a Raptor. Well, it's just simply for a different look. I don't want to use plasti dip and paint my grill black or use that dude grill that a lot of people have out there. So I want to do it. It's as simple as that. So we'll take it out. It's pretty lightweight. So the grill is inside here, and it also comes with, this is going to be the wires for the lights there, and the F and the R. So a lot of times, from what I've seen on YouTube, is that you have to buy these separate, and it's around $60 to $80. However, this package I got, I paid $3.19 Canadian, including taxes for it. I don't mind spending $3.19 for it. Probably could get it cheaper everywhere else, but I looked on eBay, I looked all over the place, and it was like I couldn't find it anywhere. So that's it. The box is completely empty. I'll just move it to the side. Let's get right to the good stuff. You guys are seeing it when I see it. Oh, actually, it is black. Holy smokes, the description was silver or gray, but now I don't even think I have to paint it. Hooray! Holy smokes, I'm totally surprised. Wow. It is black, it's a matte black, and my truck is shiny black with metallic paint. So I have a decision to make. Do I paint this ABS plastic black, or do I leave it like this, like metallic black, or should I leave it like this? Wow, that's pretty crazy. So you can see this is just lightweight material. This is very light. Oh, I'm wondering, this is going to save me a lot of work. You guys caught me off guard. This caught me off guard, I should say. Interesting, interesting. So we have a decision to make, fellas. Do I leave it like this, or do I spray it black? Metallic black, that is. Well, I'll decide that later. So what we're going to do is we'll just flip this around so you guys can see. It's got the amber lights here. There's 3 of them. And the wiring is on the back. Inside that box there will be additional wiring to run it further. Oh, I'm totally, yeah, I'm surprised. I thought this was going to be a different color. Let's open up the, leave it now. So in this box here, you have some bolts, the clips for the hood there for the grill, and the F and the R. So let's just open that up. So there we have it, Ford. Now, as you can see, it's matte, as I explained earlier. So the question I have is, should I paint the perimeter here and the mesh metallic black, or should I leave it? That's the question. I might just leave it out. So guys, so far what I've done is I opened the hood. I'm using a 10mm socket, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 6 nuts that come off from the top, and then this bar will come off as well, and then there's some clips at the top which we'll use a little pry tool to lift off the old grill. So bear with me, and we'll see you when it's... Well, there you have it, finally. It was a pain in the butt to do this single-handedly, but yeah, so 2 clips were broken. I think usually, from what I've seen on YouTube, 2 get busted, but we have replacements for that. Quite dirty, so we'll go ahead and clean this up and then get on with it. But so long to the chrome grill. All right, folks, we'll see you. So what I did was I grabbed some Clorox wipes after I dusted it down with the white towel and cleaned it up quite a bit. And then I just used some black Rust-Oleum spray paint and put a towel behind those bars there and just give it a quick little blast of paint there, just because that's where the chrome bumper was resting on before, and it had a little like light spots there, so just touched it up a little black so you can't see it through the other grill. So now the next step is to remove the bar on the bottom of this grill here. So now we're going to remove that bar and then fasten it to the new one, and then go from there. All right, see you momentarily. Good morning, YouTube. As you can see, we have the Raptor grill installed on the 2014 F150. It looks amazing. I currently have a friend coming over. He's going to assist me in installing the wiring for the LED lights. Or sorry, not the LED lights, the amber lights on the top of the grill to work. So he should be over in the next 5-10 minutes, and we'll do that. And then I was also thinking of putting LED light bulbs inside and replacing the standard halogen lights, but I haven't decided if I'm going to do that yet. So there you have it. Makes the truck look a lot different. So everyone, we've got the wires all connected up there, plug and play, and then it was run down the side. It comes out there along the side of the battery, and then we had to add some extra wire because it's a little short, and spliced into the right, there's a good view, right headlight. And I'll also be changing the halogen lights to LED. Well guys, we're all done. The LEDs are now working. They have been connected. So whenever I turn them on, the side, the little parking lamps come on. It's hard to see, but it's really bright. And we'll take a look at the LED lights that were installed as well. Switch it forward.